We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up SQ stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish red candle with a press up to the top. So we do have price action. Overall, higher highs, price action, overall, lower lows, midpoint, also adding second level lows, and also adding third level lows. So price action has pushed down, it broke a midpoint. So let's talk about what's happening all the way at that high. We got multiple touches to that high. So overall we do have that first, second, third, and market came down for that fourth, came back to retest again and pushed down from an overall triple top. Market made it down to the midpoint line. It broke the midpoint line, came back to the opposite of the midpoint line, and fully broke back through the midpoint line. So that means we are looking for that market to fully come back to retest. Market made it down to the overall lowest low area near our SR line, but it's sitting more at the midpoint between price action low and the midpoint of the overall. Price action candle, like I said before, is a bearish red candle with a press up to the top. So market can be coming down further, as this candle is identifying that it came back for a retest, and it can be working down further, but we're going to see what's going on as we walk down the time frame. Maybe turn around and come back up, maybe not. So price action is currently sitting at 1367.00, and if price work is back up, it's headed back up to the previous SR line, which would be at 1580.54. And if price work is way down, it's headed down to that next SR line, which is currently at 1312.14. What we're going to also do is going to add a midpoint in the middle of that area, that SR line, so we can see what's going on as we walk down the time frame. So just drawing out a few things that could be happening in this area. Now, if this market is going to work its way up for that incline, it may be identifying coming down in red is the first leg, second leg, third leg. It can catch some support with a bullish green candle and push up for that W, but price action can do that. If it comes up above this current candle, it may have to engulf that wick to push that market up fully in that direction, or identify a strong pattern at that low to see if that market's going to push up. If not, that market is running to that resistance, with the price action being a tag of that resistance area. So as the market breaking, price action came back to retest, and it can currently be pushing down. So it can be coming from a break and retest to head down to overall lowest lows of price sitting at 1095.13. On the weekly time frame, let's see what's going on. Price action on the weekly time frame is a bearish red doji small candle, and we can see with the second to last candle, third to last candle, market is losing momentum. So it can be an area of support for that market to turn up. If so, market can be coming from that overall first, second, third, looking for that pattern to identify itself here from Forex pattern cheat sheet. Make sure you click on images, and market's working its way up for that W. If it is respected, you want to see price action engulf that candle, and when you see price action do that, price action will be headed back up to the previous numbers of 1580.54, and then we're looking for a break and retest of that area for that market to come up from a double bottom and a retest. If that market's working its way down for that resistance, it's coming from multiple tags. So we do have the break, market came back to retest, so that will be identifying green, the first leg, second leg, overall third leg, and we do have that pattern to identify itself for the push here. Third last candle engulfed the second, and third last candle engulfed the fourth last candle and fifth last candle, which pushed that market down. So market If we identify walking down a time frame price action breaking the SR line where we're currently at, it can be pushing down to the next level, which would be near 1190.70 before going down to the SR line, which would be sitting at 1095.13. On a daily time frame, we have price action as a bearish red candle. Doji style, it's very small, so it's lost momentum. So we do see the break and retest, but price action is talking about it coming from an overall pattern of that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Okay, market came all the way down, broke into the SR line, came back in for the retest, and then pushed down further. So we are looking for another retest. That's why price action could be losing momentum as the candle got smaller with price action second last candle, and look like we're missing the area too with the candle as well. So the market's getting a little spotty. Okay, so if that market does retest this area here, it can push down to the next previous level, as we talked about earlier. If not, market's identifying that decline W for that first leg, second leg, third leg, catch some support at current price. If we identify a pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet, market's working its way up back to the previous numbers of 1436.28. And then we're looking for a break and retest of that area for market to head to the next level. Or we can receive that consolidation sideways. So we're going to see what's going on as we walk down the time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have price action as a bearish red candle, doji style, small, when side by side with the second, close enough with the third, so as the market's consolidating, could be creating some type of structure in there if we see opposite colors while walking down a time frame. But we do have that break. We're still looking for that retest to see if that market's going to come down further or push back up to the SR line through the SR line retest, as we identified as the decline W on the previous time frame. 3-hour time frame, same as well. So the colors is not going to match up with the directions being explained. So price action, second last candle, third last candle are all consolidation. Second price action, third last candle is within the second last candle, so that's consolidation. So market basically spiked that area and just worked its way sideways on a 3-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame starting to receive some structure, so there's a lot of gaps in the market, so we're going to draw as much as we can, connect the dots, so we can see that market is going to be respected first, second, third. Market's pushing up for that W, but I won't even trade down this far. So it's getting a little choppy. I probably would stop at the 4-hour time frame, but let's just keep on going to see how it looks. 2-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame reading the same thing. Also with the 45-minute time frame reading the same thing. Also with the 30-minute time frame reading the same thing. So trying to break this down, we have price action. Think about it as it being a high here, a low here, and market price is like right below that midpoint, between that midpoint, that area, and that low of that SR line. Headed down to the 15-minute time frame, same as well. It's all reading the same thing with the structure. Same thing as with the 5-minute. Is expanding, but still reading that same up and down structure. Stopped at that midpoint of that area, a little below that midpoint, that area. Same as well in the 3-minute time frame, and same as well in the 1-minute time frame. But overall, this time frame I would trade on is a 4-hour time frame, much more clear. Still a little bit choppy, but much more clear to probably take a trade. If not, take it to a daily time frame and take some wins. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, breakout and retest strategy as well. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. SQ Stock.